Really? And then what? Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Busy day. Busy day, Pirate. Busy day. Hi, Pirate. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, good boy. Hi. He just had a long journey. He's our new Roadogs foster, and he's a special boy. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Good morning, handsome boy. Good morning, handsome boy. Good morning, puppy boy. Good morning, handsome boy. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hi, Angel. Hi, angel face. Hi, sweet boy. Hi. Hi, Angel. Hi, good boy. Are you sleepy? You gotta go to sleep. Go to sleep, Pirate. I love you. Pirate's got some wounds on his hind legs, and we need to let those heal before he can start his physical therapy. Huh, buddy? Yeah, we can't let those legs drag around on the floor right now. Huh, but we're keeping him bandaged and clean, and he's getting all kinds of stimulation even though he can't be too mobile yet. So stay tuned and send the healing vibes. Good boy. Good boy. What do you think? Oh my goodness, look at you go. Look at you go, Pirate. His feet are off the floor.
Is he going?
Yeah, he's learning his new wheelchair that we borrowed from the Atkinsons. Thank you, Terry and David Atkinson. Pirate. Come on, Pirate. Look at you go, buddy. His new wheelchair keeps his back feet off the ground, and he's learning it really quickly. He's a big boy. Stay tuned. Come get your water, Pirate. Okay, come on. Come on, Pirate. Good boy. He's a little more shy today about the wheelchair. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Oh, right. Okay, Pirate. Come get your water, buddy. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, Pirate. All right. What do you think, Pirate? Oh my goodness. Mr. Turtle. What do you think? Use your legs, Pirate. Go ahead. Get your water, Pirate. You can do it. I know. You can do it, though. Use your legs, Pirate. Use your legs. Come on, Pirate. Come on, Pirate. Stand up. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's tired. There you go, buddy. Pirate just had a great wheelchair workout. We adjusted the leg stirrups, and I think he was able to propel himself better. Weren't you, buddy? Yes, we did a really great job. And now he is just relaxing with his toys.